Hello Windows Universe. In this video we'll talk about how to change multimedia settings using the PowerCFG tool in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Of course, these steps are for a laptop. If you notice, if you're watching a movie while your laptop is plugged in and suddenly you are on battery, you notice changes for it. For instance, you go into sleep mode faster. In the control panel, you can go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options, change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. Under that, scroll down to Multimedia. And you can see your settings for plugged and on battery. You can change these settings in the command prompt using the PowerCFG command. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Now, there are three specific commands to enter. One for when sharing media, another with playing video, and the quality bias in video playback. Do note that we are using the Set Value Index option, which changes the option when on battery. When plugged in, everything is on maximum, and hence there is no need to change it. To change the settings for sharing media, you would enter in PowerCFG space hyphen set DC value index space scheme underscore current 9596 FB26 hyphen 9850 hyphen 41 FD hyphen AC3E hyphen F7C 3C 00AF D4B space 0368096 hyphen 93 BC hyphen 4294 hyphen BBA6 hyphen 430F 09 BB717F space. Now, this single last digit is what sets the option. If I were to put in a 0, it would be telling it to take no action. A 1 prevents the computer from sleeping, and a 2 enables the away mode. Just hit enter. Now, if we want to change the settings when playing video, now this is useful when wanting to quickly change configurations on battery power, but you don't want to compromise on the streaming video's quality. You type in PowerCFG / set DC value index scheme current, this set of numbers. You can copy and paste this set of numbers from the article. Like sharing media, the last one option is to see what happens when in battery mode, i.e. if you were to put in 0, you'll optimize video quality, and 1 will improve the video playback performance bias. I'm going to check 1. And if you want to improve the video playback quality bias, then you're going to paste this command in, and once again, by picking 1, you're going to improve video playback performance. Then hit enter. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.